Imagine this, a customer is looking for a plumber right now on their phone. They find your business, click your website, and it doesn't load. They're gone before your homepage even shows up. We've all been that customer scrolling through search results and patiently tapping the back button when something doesn't work. But here's the kicker. If your website and Google Business Profile aren't optimized, this could be happening to your business every single day. Leads lost, money left on the table. Today, I'm breaking down the biggest mistakes holding your website and Google Business Profile back and how to fix. So stick around because I've got tips to make sure your online presence doesn't just exist. It actually works for you. Let's dive in. So let's start with the simplest test you'll ever run, the 3-second test. Grab your phone, load your website, and count 1, 2, 3. Did it load? If not, you're losing customers faster than a toddler can throw a tantrum. So here's why this matters. Number 1, customers don't wait. If your site takes forever to load, they're clicking back to your competitors. Number 2, Google doesn't wait either. Google's algorithm prioritizes fast loading websites. A slow site means you're dropping in rankings. And number 3, mobile friendliness is non-negotiable. Over half of searches happen on phones, so if your site isn't mobile optimized, you're invisible to half your audience. I worked with a local HVAC business once, and their site was taking about 8 seconds to load. We optimized their images, cleaned up the code, and made it mobile friendly, and within weeks, their bounce rate dropped and leads shot up. Run the test on your site. Does it pass? Let me tell you about my friend Sarah. She owns a bakery here in Palm Bay, Florida, and she wasn't showing up in the local searches. Turns out her Google Business Profile hadn't been updated in over a year, and it had 0 photos, and Google thought her business was inactive. Here's why photos are your secret weapon for local SEO. Number 1, Google loves active profiles. Uploading photos tells Google your business is alive and kicking. Number 2, geotag those photos to boost your ranking, tagging your location. They help Google know where to place you. Number 3, customers trust what they see. A profile with fresh photos gets more clicks and calls and foot track. So take a quick pic with your team, products, or your storefront and upload it to your profile today. Sarah did this weekly for 2 months, and now her bakery ranks in the top 3 for cakes near me. That could be you. So let's talk about your website and your Google Business Profile. They should be peanut butter and jelly, not oil and water. So here's where most businesses mess up. Number 1, inconsistent NAP info. Your name, address, and phone number need to match exactly between your website and your Google Business Profile. If they don't, Google gets confused, and confused, Google doesn't rank you. Number 2, no local SEO. If your website doesn't mention your city or your service areas, Google doesn't know where to rank you. For example, plumber in Palm Bay is a lot more affected than just plumber. Number 3, no clear call to action. If your website doesn't tell people what to do next, call, book, visit, they won't. And Google notices when people leave your site quickly. Does your website and GBP need couples therapy? Let's fix that. So now let's bust a few myths. Number 1, you can set up your Google profile once and forget it. The truth is, Google loves active profiles. Regular updates, reviews, and photos boost your rankings. Myth number 2, keywords don't matter anymore. Truth, they absolutely do. Phrases like landscaper in Melbourne, Florida, or best pizza in Brevard County still help Google connect you to the right audience. Number 3, myth, your website doesn't impact your Google ranking. The truth is, a fast, mobile-friendly website packed with local SEO is essential for dominating search results. Most people are searching on their phone. If you're still holding on to these myths, let them go and start optimizing your local SEO today. So here's the bottom line. Your website and Google Business Profile are the foundation of your online presence. If they're slow, outdated, or not working together, you're losing leads and rankings. This is fixable. It's all fixable. If you want me to take a closer look, let me audit your Google profile and your website. We'll even see how you're doing compared to your competitors. No strings attached. Let's figure out what's working and not and how to fix it. At Rank Boost Media, we specialize in helping local businesses just like yours show up in those near me searches, boost leads, and dominate your market. Whether you need a complete website overhaul, Google profile optimization, or just some actionable advice, we're here for you. So like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a fellow business owner who might need a little help getting noticed online. And check out the resources below, including my $7 course packed with actionable tips to get your business ranking. Let's make your business impossible to ignore. See you next time.